It's time for the Gizwiz with Mads Mattistrider, Dick DeBartolo. This is episode 1713, recorded Thursday, February 7th, 2019. This show is magnetic. On this episode of the Gizwiz, we got some CES leftovers. Don't worry, they heat up perfectly in the microwave. We also have a great buy from Jovi and my crappy corner. All next on the Gizwiz. It's the same dumb show with...
Okay, guys, see if you can guess. Was the sound coming from my phone, the first generation Amazon Echo, my iPad, my universal remote that I believe plays sound, I'm not sure, never set it up, or my umbrella? Okay, if you would have guessed, umbrella.
And here he is.
This is a device I just bought on Amazon. I saw it. I thought it was the weirdest thing to have a Bluetooth speaker on a regular umbrella. So the buttons there is reverse and forward on the tracks. The middle is for pause and play. The top is to eject the umbrella. I'm streaming right now from my phone to the umbrella through Bluetooth. But another cool gadget, let me just show you. It has earphone plugs, so you can plug in an earphone, okay? And if you don't want to stream from your phone, you literally can put in a microSD card inside of it and play from there.
Music mode.
And it automatically plays that. I mean, where are they gonna stick Bluetooth speakers next? I thought it was the weirdest thing. I had to get it. Everything works, the earphones, speaker, Bluetooth, the micro SD card, connection, pause, play, reverse, back. It works, and guess what? You also get a full umbrella, well, a small umbrella. So, like I said, it's a standard umbrella. Opens up, look at the inside, look at the outside, and it plays music while you're in the rain. Cool, huh? Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.